How to play YouTube in background. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can let YouTube play in background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to make YouTube play in background, there are two things that you can do: whether you want only the audio to be played in background, or whether you want the video to be played in the background itself. So if you're only talking about audio, then you can do it from your browser. So basically, instead of using the YouTube app, go to your browser, which could be Google Chrome or Safari. Just go to youtube.com, then just play a video like this. Once you play a video, you can see it is actually currently playing over here, and even if I exit out of YouTube like this, it is still actually currently playing. And even if I turn off my screen like this, the video is still actually playing itself. So you'll be able to go ahead and see, you'll actually be able to listen to the audio. I'm not playing it for copyright reasons, but it's still actually going to play the specific video over here even after you close the application like this. This is the first way to do it. But let's say you want the video, which is the picture-in-picture mode as we call it. That is basically that whenever you want to use some other apps and YouTube at the same time, there is still a way to do that. And to do this, all you have to do is first of all open the YouTube app. Now sometimes if you have picture-in-picture phone or you have YouTube Premium, then you can enable this by going to the profile icon, going to settings, going to general. You'll find the picture-in-picture mode over here, but in my region it doesn't support picture-in-picture mode. If you have Premium, you can try that, but if you don't, then what you can do is, on my device, actually this is a Samsung exclusive feature, I can play a specific video, and I can play this in two steps. One is I can either use this in split screen and use the other application. So to use in split screen, I just need to do like this: swipe from my edge panels, select the app that I want to use in split screen like this over here, and then once I've done that, you can see I can play a video from YouTube like this while still using some other applications from the list. And this is one of the first ways to do it. The other way is, if you want to play in the pop-up view, you just need to swipe up like this to the recent menu, tap on the YouTube app icon, tap on open in pop-up view, and then here you can see the video will be opened up in pop-up view. The amazing thing is that I can even go ahead and customize the size of this. I can go ahead and use it in any size I want, and in the meanwhile I can go ahead and open other application in the process. This is a device exclusive feature. I'm using Samsung based on One UI 5.1 skin on top of Android 13. If you're using some other devices, this feature could not be available in yours. So it's basically called picture-in-picture mode. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.